Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again. PET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill with a short story. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Mr. Kipling is an American tourist from Texas. He is at London Airport now. He is going through customs, and the customs officer wants to know what in his luggage is. Oh, not very much, he says. Just some cameras, Swiss watches, gold, and things like that. The customs officer wants to know the quantity of those things. Well, do you remember the story? Now please retell it. Now, answer my questions. Question number 1. Is Mr. Kipling an American tourist from Texas? Question number 2. Where is he now? Is he going through customs? What does the customs officer want to know? What does he say? Well, I hope that this video is very useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.